Alright, one seat's out. One more seat to go. I'm gonna probably work on cleaning this up a little bit, get it painted with POR 15, and then work on that side while this side's drying. The floor is actually a lot better than I thought it was. Most of this is just loose rust and just general loose rust scuzz. There's nothing, nowhere through that's not supposed to be through, so that's good. Paint all the way up there, the entire floorboard, and see how it ends up looking, and then start on that side. So yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with how that looks. Cool. Unfortunate update towards the back here where the wiring harness comes through. There's a little bit of crappiness. Looks like somebody used like JB weld to reconstruct a corner. Some sort of filler or epoxy or something. So, gotta blast all this out, move that wiring harness out of the way, reconstruct whatever they're trying to patch there, and do all that good stuff. So, let's see what I can excavate. Holy shit. And there's the problem. Well, not a huge deal. Well, not a huge deal. A little annoying, but nothing crazy. Daylight. Sweet. Alright. Here's the whole corner here, exhumed. There's some shoddy bodywork inside. I'm not going to focus on that yet. Or technically be the exterior of the car. I'm not going to focus on that yet. I'm just going to ignore the fact that there's a piece of aluminum sheet in there and what looks like a rope and something, and I don't know. So I got all this junk out, and it looks like a pretty simple repair to make. So I'm gonna make a panel and do that then. I mean, it's just literally a corner. That side might be tricky, but I don't think I need to go too elaborate with it. It's going to be hidden, as long as it's not like, as long as it's not just fiberglass or JB welded or whatever the hell in there. So yeah, I'll figure something out there. Wonderful. See, the beep says it's on, right?
Hold on, we gotta practice zoom. Oh yeah!
You got your zoom dilated?
Zoom engaged.
Zoom mode!
Engaged.
Okay,
Prepare to
so,
zoom.
driver's side floorboards living under some stuff we probably shouldn't be breathing right now to eventually get rid of the rust.
He's lying to you. He pissed on the floor.
I might have. Now we're on the other side
Natural
here.
ammonia.
Still have to do some work over there, but I didn't figure out it's as bad as I thought it was. The pan is still welded to the rocker, but not the inside of the rocker, because the rocker does one of these numbers. Not welded here, but it's welded here, so the seam sealer wasn't the worst thing in the world, but it's still not great. So, in typical fashion, one side looks awfully a lot like the other.
You gotta go down a little bit. You barely got the action on camera.
That's what I got. I learned on Rookie 2009 what you gotta do is intentionally rock, and then they don't know that you're rocking. Like on all his professional videos, they intentionally move around. So
he doesn't look like he's doing this?
Yeah, so it's not like little rocks, but it's just the big ones, and it's a lot smoother. So you just
Speaking of rocks, at least this one came out in one piece-ish. So that's a problem. We're going to fix that problem. We're not going to fix it greatly, but we're going to fix that problem.
With your piss poor camera, you do a good job of seeing it.
me how to use that saw screwdriver.
John, what the hell are you doing?
What, Sam here?
Stance videos, bro.
And you have to edit this video. You're gonna have like 90 minutes of bullshit, 20 seconds of usable video.
It was kind of like last time he filmed, but there were some really good shots last time he filmed, so I'm happy with him doing this. If you need other batteries, I got other batteries.
If you want a close up of the bullshit,
We're doing one-shot filming. Ooh, look at that. Hang on. We can make that
it's like a meteor crashing. It's gonna kill the dinosaurs. Look. Kill the dinosaurs.
What did you hit me with?
A meteor.
part of your car.
A meteor.
Part of
You're
your
supposed
car.
to be dead now if you're a dinosaur, right?
Still out on the farm. Thank God I'm a car worker. Well, I got me a hammer and I got me a Triumph. Going to race and ain't going.
I got me old hammer.
My motor ain't nothing but a funny joke. Thank God I'm an awesome guy. So Ryan, how do you feel about the old Triumph Spitfire, right? Gang signs, gang.
How do you feel about the Triumph Spitfire, Steve?
Well, you know how I feel about British sports cars. And, well, kind of the British as a whole. And here we are.
We threw that.
It makes Kyle horny.
So, as much as I just want to patch this junk, I'm not going to. Zip all that out, replace that, and then go from there. Here's the piece. Need to cut it here. John's going to get me a copyright strike. Already made one. So, yeah. And then I guess tomorrow I gotta fire the plasma cutter up and cut through and, yeah, replace that. This is the general rig to make the inner rocker. Just a piece of box tube, some clamps, some vise, some hammer. So, should just buy a sheet metal brake, but that would cut away from vehicle funds, so be a lot quicker if I had a brake, but this will do for the moment. Slap some weld-through primer on it, so it'll be protected and be able to be painted later, all whilst being able to be welded. So, gonna do the inside of the other panel and then let this dry for a bit and hit this panel on the inside and then call it a night. Oh. So yeah, blasted through, cut it out, placed it with that. Gonna seam seal and clean it up, and then pretty much call that a day. Really don't feel like going way too out of hand with it, so it's better than what was there and all that stuff. So this is the type of work that I really need motivation to do, and I don't really have a huge amount of motivation right now, but I have enough to get it done. So gonna do that, paint it, run out, grab some seam sealer, seam seal it, POR 15 it all, and then yeah. Alright, got the bed cut out. I'm gonna I guess I gotta prime the inside here, any exposed stuff, but then slap that there and burn it in. Cool. Alright, passenger side's burnt in. I got it sitting on some POR 15 to or some metal prep, POR 15 metal prep, so it can so I can coat that side. So I'm gonna do this side now. I just finished cleaning all the residue off from the metal prep, which is some sort of acid. So pretty nasty stuff. You gotta wear gloves and stuff, or else your hands are gonna tingle. So yeah, right now, once there's a few wet spots I gotta dry up yet, because you gotta flush it with water. After that, then I can I can start painting it. So I'm gonna basically just use a 1-inch brush and a cup full of PR15 and yeah, just done. And let it dry. Then I can do that side, clean that up and all that. So yeah, good stuff. Hey, one side down. That one to go. Well, other floor's done. Time to watch paint dry, basically. I got a pile of parts coming in for it, so I'll be pretty steady with videos, actually. So, probably gonna work on another video tomorrow, another part of this, because I might go to dinner now, and blah blah blah, and you guys don't care. But yeah, stay tuned. Just if you want to see more of this thing getting finished and getting back on the road and turning it all to Cross Beast, subscribe. So, thanks for watching.